Hello YouTube. Today I'm starting my first video off installing my Flyin Miata Stage 1 clutch kit onto my motor build. Hold up. There it is. It's a work in progress. The intake's powder coated along with the valve cover. It's starting to look pretty good. Here's the clutch kit. It's just been sitting on my shelf since I've had it. They've been out of stock for a while, so I'm pretty lucky to bought this pretty early to get it on the car. A little disclaimer, it is cold as shit out here. It is like almost to the negatives because I'm in Indiana. I do have a furnace out here, but I don't think I'll be out here very long, so it's not really worth starting a fire. Alright, so I've got it all taken apart here. We're going to install my Timken bearing. I don't really trust the bearings that come with clutch kits. I usually just buy Timken to be safe. Never had an issue with these. I've installed like 3 different clutches, and I've always used the Timken bearings, and they always work out for me. This is a little awkward since I'm only using one hand, but we will just try to get that in there. Might need to like maybe reset the edges or just push it in. Yeah, I'll probably need to do something about that. Can I just lightly tap it in? I don't want to break it. Alright, I'm going to try doing this with 2 hands, so you won't see this part. Alright, so the pilot bearing's in. Pushed in so it's flush the back, so it should be good now. We're gonna put this on the motor and then we'll install this and this. I also have my little clutch alignment tool so we can align it properly. Alright, so to connect the flywheel to the motor, I am going to be using an impact. I'm not the best to take advice from at all when it comes to this stuff. So I've got my impact here, got the big boy. I'm just going to snug them up and then give them a few taps and it should work out. Never had an issue with it. Never come loose, never broken. But yeah, just if you do it and you break it, it's not my problem. Alright, so they're all on there nice and tight. Still spins. So we should be good to move on to putting the clutch on it. I forgot to mention that when I did put this on, the flywheel, I did spray it down with some brake clean. Did get some dirt off of it, so that should make it smoother. Maybe not scratch it up from dust being in there, etc. So yeah, time to install the clutch on it. Alright, so I've got all this on and put the clutch alignment tool. The clutch is facing the right way. It's time to put the bolts in and install it, and then that'll be done. So I kind of screwed in all these at first just to get them in. We're gonna snug them up. Let me go grab my 14 that I have sitting up here. We're just going to, it's cold. Anyway, just gonna snug them up and then we could actually tighten it down. Alright, so it's all on, tightened down. Should be able to just pull this out. There we go. Clutch is aligned. And it's all tightened down. So it should be good to go. Yeah, clutch does not move in there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I do really appreciate it. I will be constantly uploading on this channel. I'll try to every few days or so, just updating what's going on with my build. So yeah, thanks for watching again. I really appreciate it if you tuned in to the end. Just like and subscribe if you can. Thank you. Have a nice day.